In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Analytics for Google Ads conversion tracking. Google Ads conversion tracking tells you what visitors do on your site after clicking on an online ad. That allows you to identify how effectively your ad clicks lead to things like product purchases, form submissions, and more. And that allows you to know if your campaigns are really paying off or if you're just wasting money. Google Ads conversion helps you to identify which keywords, ads, and campaigns are profitable in terms of driving conversions. It also helps you to make better decisions on your ad spend. You'll gain insight into how to optimize those ads and boost your ROI, and you'll find the weak points in your content and checkout process so that they can be improved. So let's jump right in. Now to start, you'll need to sign into your Google Ads account, and in the upper right corner, click on the wrench icon, and then click the Conversions under Measurement. Then click the New Conversion Action button. Next, click Website. Now, enter your site domain and click Scan. Google will scan your website to see if it's configured for conversion tracking. Then, Google Ads will ask whether you want to create a conversion action automatically or manually. Now, you'll need to select Add a Conversion Action manually. Now, you'll select a goal. Enter a conversion name and specify a value for that conversion. We're going to use the same conversion value for each conversion and set our count to 1 so that a subscriber is only counted as a conversion once. For purchase conversions, you'll normally want to set that to every in order to count each purchase as a conversion. Then click Done. Now we've created a new conversion in the Google Ads named Newsletter Signup. This should track everyone who signs up for our newsletter and assign a value of $5 to each one of these signups. Next, click the Save and Continue button. Now click on the Use Google Tag Manager option. On this page, you'll find your conversion ID and conversion label. You'll need these in a moment to finish setting up tracking, so copy and save these to something like Notepad, or you can just leave the tab open. You can use MonsterInsights to add Google Ads to your WordPress site so you don't have to mess with any code. MonsterInsights allows you to easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics, both Universal Analytics and GA4, so you can view all the data that matters most right on your WordPress dashboard. And with just a click of a button, you can set up sophisticated tracking features such as event tracking and e-commerce tracking. Plus, you can easily track forms, custom dimensions, outbound links and media, and many other things that Google Analytics does not track right out of the box. Now to get started, you'll need to install MonsterInsights. Be sure to choose the license level that has all the features you're going to need. For this tutorial, I'll be using MonsterInsights Pro. So first, you'll need to head over to the MonsterInsights pricing page and select MonsterInsights Pro. Once you're all signed up, just go to your account area and then head over to the Download tab and download the zip file of the plugin to your computer. Next, log into your WordPress site, and then on the admin sidebar, click Plugins and then select Add New. Then click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Now you can either click Choose File or just drag and drop the zip file here and click Install Now. Once that's done, just activate the MonsterInsights plugin. Okay, now you'll need to connect Google Analytics 4 or Universal Analytics or both to your site. Now don't worry, just follow the steps in the setup wizard and the plugin will automatically add Google Analytics to your site without needing to edit any code. If you'd like more details, just be sure to check out the link in the description to our guide on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress. After that, you'll need to install and activate the Ads add-on. Make sure you're using MonsterInsights Plus or a higher plan to use the add-on. To install the add-on, just go to your admin sidebar and hover your mouse over Insights. Now click on Add-ons and then find the Ads add-on and click the Install button, and it will automatically be activated. The next step is to add your Google Ads conversion ID and conversion label if required in MonsterInsights. So you'll need to go to Insights and then go to Settings and then to the Publisher tab. Now navigate to Ads Tracking and paste your conversion ID into the field. Now, if you're using WooCommerce Easy Digital Downloads or MemberPress, you'll need to also copy and paste your conversion label from Google Ads into the conversion label field. Now, if you're using WooCommerce Easy Digital Downloads or MemberPress and you pasted your conversion label into MonsterInsights, you can skip this next step. But if you aren't, then on the summary page in Google Ads, you'll need to click on the conversion action that you just set up. Now click on the Tag Setup dropdown. Next, select Install the tag yourself. Now scroll down to the Event snippet. If your conversion is on a destination page like a thank you page, then add the snippet to that page. Or if your conversion is a click Like on a Download Now button, you'll need to add your snippet to the page that the button is on. While Google Ads suggests putting the code in the header, it can also work to put it at the top of the HTML of the page in your WordPress page editor. Or you can use a plugin like the WP Code plugin to insert the code in the header on a specific page. All right, now you've successfully set up Google Ads conversion tracking on your WordPress site. All right, to connect Google Ads with GA4, you'll need to click on the admin icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now click on Google Ads Links. On the next screen, you'll click the Choose Google Ads Account button. Now you should see a screen with the Google Ads account that you are authorized to use. So place a check in the box next to the account. Now click the Next button. In the next step, you can leave all default settings as is and click Next again. On the next step, simply click Submit. Now your GA4 account is connected to Google Ads and can be collecting more valuable data about your site traffic and ad conversion. To link your Google Ads account with a Google Universal Analytics account, you'll just need to select a website that you want to connect to and then click Admin in the left taskbar. Next, in the middle column, click Google Ads Linking. Then select your Google Ads account and click Continue. Specify an appropriate title for the link group and toggle the switch to On. Once that's done, click the Link Accounts button. And that's it. Your Google Ads and Universal accounts are now linked. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you know how to use Google Analytics for Google Ads conversion tracking. With Monster Insights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using Monster Insights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.